Welcome to Civil Jury Service in Allegheny County. This introductory video was produced for you by the Allegheny County Bar Association Civil Litigation Section, the lawyers who try the civil cases in Allegheny County courts. Next to military service, serving on a jury is the highest duty you can fulfill to your country. We wish to thank you for your contribution in serving on a jury and participating in the administration of justice here in Allegheny County. Your name was randomly selected by the court from lists supplied by various state agencies on a yearly basis. If your summons directs you to appear at the 7th floor of the City-County building in Pittsburgh, then you have been summoned for civil jury duty. If your summons directs you to appear in room 318 of the courthouse, then you have been summoned for criminal jury service. This video pertains only to service as a juror in the civil division of the Courts of Common Pleas. Your summons will tell you on what date you are required to appear for civil jury service. However, you must contact the court after 4 p.m. on the last business day before your appearance date to confirm whether you should report. You can do so either by visiting the court's website or calling 412-350-6886. Civil jurors report to the 7th floor of the City-County building on Grant Street in downtown Pittsburgh. We'll show you the room a little bit later in this video. The City-County building is at 414 Grant Street, Pittsburgh, PA, 15219, and it is between Forbes Avenue and 4th Avenue. Now, driving directions appear on the court's website under the jury icon. All persons 18 years of age or older are eligible to serve as jurors. Your summons directs you to complete the juror qualification questionnaire. This brief questionnaire assists the court in confirming whether you are eligible for jury service. Even if you believe that you are not eligible for jury service, you must complete and return the juror qualification questionnaire. The questionnaire may be completed online. Look for the word questionnaire under the jury icon. The court recognizes that it may be a hardship for elderly citizens to serve on juries. While there is no age limitation to participate in jury service, citizens who are 75 years of age or older may request an age-related excuse that will permanently remove them from the court's list of prospective jurors. You may request this on your juror qualification questionnaire by checking yes to question number 1, entering your date of birth on line 9, signing and returning your questionnaire. The court recognizes that jury service may be an inconvenience, but this does not excuse you from jury service. If you need to request a postponement of your service, follow the instructions on the last page of your summons. Even if you are requesting postponement, you must submit your juror qualification questionnaire. A postponement request must be made at least 7 days prior to your service date by contacting the Office of Jury Management. If you believe that you are incapable of serving due to a mental or physical condition, you may indicate this in your answer to question number 5 on the jury qualification questionnaire. An affidavit will be provided to you requiring a medical physician's assessment and signature. Your summons assigns a juror number to you. To complete your questionnaire online, enter your juror number here and your birth date here. If you complete the online questionnaire, you do not need to return the questionnaire by mail. However, you must either complete the questionnaire online or complete and return the questionnaire by mail. If you submit your questionnaire online or mail the questionnaire, please keep your summons and bring it with you if you are reporting for jury service. Appearing for jury service can be challenging due to rush hour traffic. If you rely on Port Authority bus service, scheduling information can be obtained by calling 412-442-2000 or by accessing the website of the Port Authority. If you rely on light rail service, you should disembark at the Steel Plaza station, exit the station onto Grand Street, turn left, and proceed to the intersection of Forbes Avenue and Grand Street. The City-County building is between Forbes and 4th Avenue on your left. You will recognize it by the statue of former Mayor Richard Caligiuri in the archway at the foot of the stairs in the front of the building. If you are driving into Pittsburgh, you have a number of parking options. Parking rates change from time to time, but as of the production date of this video, daily rates at some garages or lots could exceed $20. A map of downtown Pittsburgh is on the court's website. We recommend that you print the map of downtown Pittsburgh and mark these parking locations. If your preferred garage is full when you arrive, you will have to try another garage, and it will be useful to you to have the map handy to assist you in finding another place to park. We will now identify for you the parking locations closest to the City-County building. The closest lot to the City-County building is directly across Grand Street from the City-County building. Two other lots are about 1 block away. Kaufman's or Macy's garage is at the intersection of Forbes Avenue and Cherry Way. Oxford Center garage is on Cherry Way between 3rd and 4th Avenues. Approximately 2 blocks away from the City-County building are the Manor Building garage at 564 Forbes Avenue and Kale's lot located at 610 3rd Avenue, and the Allies parking garage located at the Boulevard of the Allies and Cherry Way. 54 Chatham Center garage is on 5th Avenue, approximately 3 blocks from the City-County building. Here, jurors are afforded a special reduced rate upon presentation of an authorized voucher that the court will provide to you. Approximately 3 blocks away is the Parkway lot at the corner of 2nd Avenue and Ross Street. Business attire appropriate to the dignity and serious nature of court proceedings must be worn. Shorts, tank tops, t-shirts, beach shoes, revealing clothing, or clothing with offensive language or logos is not permitted. Work uniforms, including police uniforms, should not be worn. For your comfort, you may wish to wear layered clothing to be prepared for heating and air conditioning fluctuations in the jury rooms and the courtrooms. Disabled individuals who require ADA access should use the Ross Street entrance of the city-county building. Bring something to do. There will be periods of downtime in the juror lounge, sometimes 1 or 2 hours, when you will be waiting for the next step in the process. Use of cellular phones, computers, and other electronic media is permitted in specified areas of the jury assignment room, but is prohibited in the courtroom and deliberation rooms. Detailed rules governing the use of these devices will be provided by the jury assignment room personnel and courtroom staff. The juror lounge has television sets, restrooms, a telephone, vending machines, and free coffee, together with maps of the nearby area showing you the most convenient restaurants to have lunch. If you smoke, the court staff will advise you when smoke breaks are permitted. There is a designated smoking area outside the building. When you arrive at the city-county building, you will have to go through security. It will speed things up if you place all metal objects into a bag, purse, or coat and send these items through the security scanner. Please be advised that the possession of firearms and other dangerous weapons is prohibited in court facilities. Take the first set of elevators closest to Grant Street to the 7th floor. Report to the jury assignment room near the elevators on the 7th floor. In Allegheny County, we have a one-day, one-trial system. That means that if you are not selected to serve on a jury on the day you appear, you will be excused and will not have to come back the next day. If you are selected to serve on a jury, you will serve only for that one trial, however long it may take, and you will then be excused. In the assignment room, you may be asked if you are limited in the length of time you can serve, or there is some other undue hardship that may impact your service. Court staff will attempt to accommodate you in this regard. While in the assignment room, you will be asked questions by the court and by the lawyers on a case to further evaluate your service as a juror on a specific case. It is very important that you listen carefully to the questions asked and answer them truthfully. The lawyers may eliminate jurors from consideration for reasons that will not necessarily be known to the jurors. The lawyer's goal is to select a jury that, in their view, will be objective and impartial. If you are selected to serve, you will serve for the length of the trial. Every case is different. The average case is 3 or 4 days, but your case could involve longer or shorter service as a juror. It is possible that you will not be selected as a juror. If you are not selected, please do not consider it an affront or a reflection on your ability or intelligence. If you are not selected the first time you are questioned, you will be eligible to be questioned on another case scheduled for trial that same day. If, by the end of the day, you have not been selected, you will be released from your jury service. Once you report for jury service, you will receive additional instructions from the court. In the meantime, we hope this video has removed some of the uncertainty that you may be experiencing about your service as a juror in Allegheny County. On behalf of the attorneys who practice in the Allegheny County courts and their clients, who are citizens just like you, we thank you for discharging this solemn duty. You will be breathing life into our democracy. We hope you find the experience to be very rewarding. Thank you very much.